In this video, I will show you how you can solve a dependency. If one team detects a dependency to another team, optimally, the Scrum Master reaches out to the other teams to find the team the dependency belongs to or the team that will do the work required. In a collocated environment, he will walk around and look out for the team. In a distributed setting, he will contact different Scrum Masters over the used video conferencing service. As soon as the teams find each other, we copy our dependency sticky to the team board of the other team. They will now plan their user stories for this dependency. Done with that, they copy the sticky to the program board. Now both teams visualize the dependency on the program board and draw a line. Done. That's how you solve dependencies with the PI Planning app. In the next video I will show you what we mean by real-time synchronized boards and how it improves planning with distributed teams.